So yeah, so in this part, it is the continuation of that part only. So we were discussing of vectors. So we are moving to that this problem set in which they have discussed about bitwise and logical operators. So I'll tell you briefly, like in depth only, about the operators in very long. Okay. Yeah. In the operators part, so first operator will be arithmetic operators. ठीक है. These are of two types. ठीक है. Unary and binary. ठीक है. Unary means they operates on single operand only. Single operand means like let's say plus a minus a like that. ठीक है. Minus b plus b like that. ठीक है. और minus a plus b like that. These are unary operators, and binary operators means a plus b, a minus b, a multiply b like that. ठीक है. So yeah, this is arithmetic operators. Now we'll move to logical operators. So logical operators, ठीक है. ठीक है. Logical operators give only two values, true or false. ठीक है. Logical like value 0 is treated as false. ठीक है. In logical operator, and value 1 is treated as logical true in this. ठीक है. So it will give you the final output as uh, true or false only. So we'll take an example of logical AND gate. ठीक है. So false results in false. False true results in false. True false is equals to false. True true, then it is true. So this is the truth table of logical AND operation. ठीक है. You understand, right? Now we'll move to other set of operators that are relational operators. ठीक है. Relational operators are not equal, to, ठीक है. Equal to, greater than equal, less than equal, ठीक है. Greater than, less than, ठीक है. These are relational operators. ठीक है. These gives output as boolean true or boolean false like that. ठीक है. Now we'll come to bitwise operator. ठीक है. This is not, this is AND gate, this is a symbol, this is OR gate, oh, this is OR. ठीक है. ठीक है. This is bitwise XOR, this is bitwise XNOR. ठीक है. So yeah, so now हाँ, so bitwise operators जो होते हैं ना, they operate on bits. ठीक है. And return the value as bit only, not true and false. They operate on bits and return the values as bit only. Output also bit, not true and false. ठीक है. Next is reduction operator. So reduction operators can be like they accept single operand. ठीक है. They accept single operand and produce single bit as an output. Output will be one bit only. ठीक है. They operate on all bits. ठीक. I'll give you one example of reduction operator. Let's say you have this array. ठीक है. It is of multiple bit. It's a word. ठीक है. Multi bit is there. ठीक है. It will convert it into reduction operator will convert it into and give. ठीक है. And give us an output of single bit. ठीक है. Let's say I'll give you one example. Let's say you declared one wire, wire 3 down to 0 and x, then there is wire y. ठीक है. This wire is single bit and this is multi bit. ठीक है. X is multi bit 0 1 2 3. Okay. And this is wire, this one is x and this one is wire y. So yeah, you will use that this. ठीक है. So this will give you as y. ठीक है. If you use this thing assign. ठीक है. You applied reduction operator. Reduction operator. So it will reduce. It will operate on every bit of this x. Every bit of x, right? And then it will reduce it into a single bit and give us as an output. ठीक है. So yeah, bitwise you understood, right? Bitwise is like this one is and or. ठीक है. This one is NAND. No, or. ठीक है. XOR XNOR. Now we'll move to shift operators. Shift operators are of two type, no, three type. This is shift. This one is right. So shift right. This one is shift left. Okay. And this one is, there is three right. So this one is arithmetic shift left, shift right, sorry. And this one is arithmetic shift left. Okay. And one more thing. Uh, this shift right is a division by 2 and this shift left is if you shift the array by one bit, right, it will be multiplying the whole by 2. ठीक है. And if you shift it by 2 bits it will multiply by 2 की power like that. ठीक है. It works like this. So and one more operator is concatenation operator. Concatenation means like it act as a joining operator. It joins several bits or several expressions together, two or more expression together which are separated by some commas. So it is used as a join operator. So let's say A, B, C. D is written. So it will give me as A, B, C, D. Like that. It will concatenate. It will join all those expressions. Okay. And one is replication operator. Replicate means uh, copy, Xerox, replication. Replications means Xerox, copy, photocopying. Okay, like that. You can explain. You can see. So let's say this one is this one denotes how many times the replication is you have to do. Let's say 3 times. And this one is the expression. Okay. Let's say you are doing 3 times this A. So what will be the output? A like that. Okay. Triple A. 3 times. It will replicate all those things. You understand, right? So this one was the brief of operators. And one more thing, one important point. Let's say this one is equal to, this one is doesn't equal to, and this one is also equality operator. Okay, so what is the difference? Actually, it compares exactly every bit. Okay, it compares exactly every bit of MSB of that RHS to LHS. Okay, and huh, and this one treat these things X and like X and Z, it doesn't consider them. Okay, let's say I'll tell you. Let's say A's value is 101 X. B value is 1010. Okay. So if we compare them, it can arise to two cases 1010 and 1011. Okay. So if we use this operator na, it will give as true, means like, yeah, they both are equal because it will match this case and it will be like that. But if we use this operator, right, so it won't treat them as random values. It will consider them. It will match these things also. Don't care and high impedance state also. Let's say 101 X is there and 101. So both are not exactly equal. Okay. So it will give as output false. Okay. But if you have A is equals to 101 Z, B is equals to 101 Z. So if you use triple equal to equality operator, it will give you as true. Otherwise, if there is like 1 or some other value, it won't give. Like it will match each and every bit exactly. Okay. Only then it will return the value as true. Otherwise, it won't. Okay. This was an important concept to be discussed. And one more point we'll discuss. Like if we have Z or this, don't care, in a reg or wire, ठीक है, if it is present, automatically the expression, whatever the operator you are using, add operator or operator, it will result to the output expression as unknown. ठीक है, if these two, one of these two is present in an expression, in your reg or wire, it will automatically give that output as unknown. ठीक है, लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर्स ऑलवेज इवैल्यूएट टू वन बिट आउटपुट ओनली. ठीक है, रिडक्शन रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर्स आल्सो लाइक दिस कंपैरिजन ग्रेटर देन, like that, those operators. ठीक है, now this was the brief idea. Now we'll move to solving problems. Okay, yeah, so we'll solve the problem. Very less problems are left now. So yeah, in this in this questions we are given that we have to Do first of all, in first operation we have to do that there is an input 3 bit input A and B. 3 bit input is given. ठीक है, तो आउटपुट विल बी bitwise operation of A and B. ठीक है, आउटपुट ऑपरेशन ऑफ आउटपुट और ऑपरेशन, one output is logical or operation, logical bitwise or operation of A and B, and this not operation of A and B. Okay, so how we will perform it, we'll see. So we'll use assign statement. ठीक है, so first we'll uh, do this operation bitwise or. So we have to assign output or bitwise. ठीक है, we have to perform bitwise or operation of these two. We have to do or operation, bitwise or operation of A or B. ठीक है, so how will do? ठीक है, then we have to do the not operation also. ठीक है, this not operation is of 6 bit. ठीक है, so what we are doing? ठीक है, in this not operation we are doing this, place the inverse of upper half of not B. ठीक है, and the inverse of in lower half. You understand, right? I'll explain. So not operation is that there are 6 bits. One, two, three, four. ठीक है, this upper 3 bit, ठीक है, and this 3 bit, it will be the not of B and it will be the not of A. ठीक है, one, two, one, two, three, one, two. ठीक है, you understand, right? Now we'll perform. So assign output not. So we'll use part select in that. Part select 5 down 3 will be not of B because upper half we have to assign, and this 2 down 0 equal to not of A. Now we'll, so yeah, it's it's solved. ठीक है, our bitwise or operation is also correct, and bitwise and logical or operation and not operation is also correct. All three operations are correct. So we'll move to the next problem. हाँ, so in this question what we have to do, we have to build a combinational circuit. So in this question we have to build a combinational circuit in which four input is there. Input is 4 bit, 4 bit input is there. ठीक है, and there are three output. फर्स्ट आउटपुट इज आउटपुट एंड, ठीक है। सेकंड इज आउटपुट और, सेकंड थर्ड इज आउटपुट एक्सॉर, ठीक है। So we'll use simple assign statement and we'll build output and. Now we are using reduction operate. We are doing reduction operation. So we'll use single and then input. ठीक है. Then assign output or input. So yeah, it was done like that. Okay. So our input is correct. We have done like we have done the the and will be performed on every bit of input. uh, ठीक है, and or will be performed on every bit of input, ठीक है. so so I'll explain you how it is done, ठीक है. So I'll explain and operation, how output and how bit by bit and operation is done. Let's say how many like it's 0 1 2 and 3, ठीक है. This one is input, ठीक है. आउटपुट इज सिंगल बिट ओनली, ठीक है. आउटपुट एंड इज सिंगल बिट एंड वी आर यूजिंग रिडक्शन ऑपरेटर, ठीक है. इट विल डू दिस एंड ऑपरेशन on every bit of this input in, ठीक है. Let's understand how. Let's say input is 0 0 0 0, ठीक है. So output and will be 0 and 0 and 0 and 0. So it will give to 0, then it will be and with this will give 0 again, ठीक है. It will and to this, then again 0, then again 0. So output and will be 0, ठीक है. Now I will do something. I'll change one thing, 0 1 0 1, ठीक है. Now 0 and 0 and 0 and it will perform, this will be 0, ठीक है. This will again result to 0, this will again result to 0, ठीक है. Similarly you will do OR operations also, ठीक है. Reduction OR, add, reduction, XNOR, XOR, everything, ठीक है. It's your homework now to explore more thing how you are doing. You make use of pen and paper and solve all those things. You will get a good idea and it's a good concept. So we'll move to the next program, like last four problem. So in that there is an input bit. So we have learned about concatenation, right? So we'll do one program statement. We have an input. Input is of 32 bit. ठीक है, 32 bit input is there and 6 5-bit input. Okay. Okay, 32-bit input is there. ठीक है, and each A, B, C, D till F are of 5 bit. So 6 into these are 6 number, 6 into 30, and rest 2 bits. Rest 2 bits we have to store 1 and 1. This 11 is written, this this 1 is written, right? So it's not 11. It's you have to store binary. This 00, 01, 10, 11. So this is 1 1. Okay. So 2 bit binary you have to store as 1 1. Okay, in this format. W X Y Z. So W X Y Z will be like it is 4, right? And we have to do so 8. So each one will be 8 now. So how we'll do it? We'll let's we'll assign. So we'll use W. So we have to this thing we have to contact. We have to join concatenation. We have to join A, B, C, D, E, F and 2 bit 1 1 like that. Okay. When we'll contact, it will directly be equal to that WXYZ. So we'll do that thing. A, B, C, D, E, F, and then 2 bit binary 1 1. This B is binary. Let B is for binary. H is for hexadecimal. Okay. If we wrote with H like that, okay. So it will be a hexadecimal value. I think some problem with it. Okay. So by mistake I have put one more semicolon. So yeah, now it's correct. So yeah, it got combined and it got joined as perfect as we want. There is no mismatch. So we'll move to next statement. Yeah. So yeah, vector reversal. So in this we have given a 8-bit input vector and we have to reverse the bit ordering. Okay, we'll use a sign statement. We'll use out. What is the hint given? So we'll use a concatenation operator. So input uh, this 0 we'll take first and then we'll use this input 2 and this input 3. We are using part select. I'll tell you to solve this problem using when there is a longer vector. Let's say 100-bit vector is there. So you won't type all those thing, right? Yeah, I will do that also. like that. So yeah, output. So I will submit. It's correct. Yeah. So yeah, there are no mismatches. I have done like I have just used uh, the concatenation operator. I have concatenation. Let's say I'll tell you on a smaller array. Let's say 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this was one in 0. This was in 1. Okay. So we have to get 3 on this part, 2 on this, 1 on this, and 0 on this. Okay. Like that. So how I did that? So output is equals to I used input. I used this as MSB. Okay. Initially it was at LSB position, right? Okay. Now it is MSB. Then it initially it was in this was MSB, this was LSB, and this was MSB. Okay. So I did this. I hope you understand. You can ask questions on comment box also. I'll reply. So yeah, one more problem. So yeah, in this question, what we have to do? We have to build a circle that ex uh, that sign extends a 8-bit number to 32-bit. Okay, okay. They are saying that we have to create a copy of sign bit, 24 copy of sign bit, and followed by 8-bit of number itself. Okay. What do you mean by sign bit? First, I'll tell you what do you mean by sign bit. Let's say, okay, let's say this is the sign bit. It tells you that the number is positive or negative. Okay. If sign bit is 1, it means it's a negative number, and if sign bit is 0, it means it's a positive number. Okay. You understand the significance of sign bit, right? So it's simple. It's a simple problem. We just have to create the replication of this bit. Matlab we have to use replication plus this concatenation output. So assign output, and output is initially input is 8-bit, and we have to replicate and make it to the output vector and match it to the output vector of 32-bit. So we have to replicate that sign bit 24 times. So 24 times that sign bit, and rest the number will be same. So output will be 32-bit, and we have to replicate 24 times. So we'll use 24. So sign bit is the MSB bit of that input vector. Okay. You saw here, right? This one was the MSB, right? This one was LSB. So whatever the bit was here, right? So it was only the sign bit. So we'll replicate input seventh bit. That eighth bit, eighth order bit. We'll replicate it 24 times, and then we'll use the input as it is. Okay, we'll use the input as it is, and now we'll press submit. Let's see. Okay, I think I have not closed one bracket. Yeah, now all the brackets are closed. So yeah, the problem is solved. Okay, so we'll go to the last problem of our these sections. Okay, So what we have to do, ठीक है, we are given 5 1 bit input signals, ठीक है, A B C D and E, ठीक है, we have to compute 25 pair wise 1 bit comparison, ठीक है, A with A, A with B, A with C, A with D and with E, then B with A, B with B with C, like that. So we have to do as many comparisons, ठीक है. So you should use permutations and combinations and tell me total number of comparisons we are doing in this programs, and you can comment. So yeah, so the output will be 1 if two bits are equal. So we'll use XNOR gate. So because it's like an equality detector, right? So whenever two bits are equal, it will give us output 1. So XNOR acts as an equality detector, and XOR acts as an inequality detector. Whenever the two different bits are there, two different inputs are there, then it will give us an output 1. So yeah, so what we have to do? We have to uh, design first this vector. This vector is concatenation of 5 repeats of each input. ठीक है? I'll tell you. This is a very good problem. I'll explain you. Guys, I am taking time to explain you. I can finish the video lecture in very 10, 15, 20 minutes also. But yeah, I am taking more time to explain in-depth concept, how the working, how the mindset is there, and to develop your thought process on. ठीक है? How to approach to those problems like that. That's why I am taking. So this is the input vector. This is top vector. ठीक है? This A is there na, we have to replicate it 5 times to get this. Then replicate B 5 times to get this. And then we have to concatenate so that you will get the whole vector. And then we have to do the X NOR operation with the other vector A, B, C, D, E, this 5 times. If we replicate this expression 5 times, we'll get this one. You understand, right? When I'll code right, you'll understand it in much better way. So assign output, it is the XOR of first input vector. First input vector is this 5 times A, ठीक है. Then you are replicating 5 times B. Then you are replicating 5 times C also and concatenating also. ठीक है. 5 times D and 5 times C. Okay. And then we are using X XOR operation. Okay. And we are just in this one, the expression is 5 times A comma B comma C comma D comma E, this one. So ended with semicolon. Let me check that all the brackets are closed on that, not closed or not. So I open this one and close it. I open this, close this one. I open this, close this, and this and close this. One more bracket will be there, and oh, okay, okay. E is also there, right? So I open this and close this and open. Okay. So yeah. So now will, so yeah, it will generate the correct result. So this is the final problem of vectors. And now from next video we'll move to modules part. We'll finish the modules also and procedures also. So I hope you like this video. Share this among your friends, peer groups, and we'll prepare together. We'll watch my daily vlogs also and whatever you want. So yeah, I'll make sure that I'll complete each and every program of this HDL bits. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. And like love you all. Love you so much for supporting. Thank you so much.